I have the honor of welcoming you all on this very special occasion as we officially install Stuart Cullum as the 12th President of Red Deer Polytechnic. It is now my distinct pleasure to introduce Her Honor, the Honorable Salma Lakhani, Lieutenant Governor of Alberta. Her Honor will lead Stuart Cullum as he takes the oath of office.
Please raise your right hand. Do you, Stuart Cullum, swear that you will, to the best of your skill and ability, serve learners and communities through leadership, excellence, and innovation, while faithfully carrying out the many duties of the President of Red Deer Polytechnic?
I do.
Board of Governors Chair, Stuart Cullum has now sworn to accept the duties and responsibilities of the office of the President of Red Deer Polytechnic, and I ask that you duly install him in this office.
At the request of the Lieutenant Governor and Red Deer Polytechnic Board of Governors, and as Board Chair, I hereby install you as President of Red Deer Polytechnic with all the powers and the responsibilities of the office. Now you're official. It's my pleasure to welcome Ian Cook to the stage to unveil the new President's gift. Ian has taught countless alumni in RDP's Visual Arts program for an amazing career of 50 years. And I want to take just a second here to acknowledge Ian's career. So let's give Ian a round of applause for 50 years of commitment. Ian's expertise and creativity as an artist, along with contributions from additional faculty and staff, have come to life in the gift for Stuart. Thank you so much to Ian and to everyone who played a role in creating this beautiful gift for Stuart that commemorates his installation as our new president today. Thank you, Ian.
On behalf of Alberta's government and as the MLA for Red Deer North, I am pleased to offer you my congratulations and best wishes as you undertake this new role as President of Red Deer Polytechnic.
Thank you, Stuart, for taking this mantle and leading our institution. We have heard only good things about your dedication to the students at Olds College of Agriculture and Technology, and we are excited to see how much further Red Deer Polytechnic can reach under your leadership.
As representatives of our staff and faculty, we ask of our President to treat everyone with kindness, compassion, and humility, but always focus on the goal, the success of the student.
We're making great strides, but it's only when it's creating partnerships and understanding our common needs, and that's creating that relationship and accepting our differences.
I'm optimistic and confident of our relationship with RDP and growing the community together.
You have welcomed Red Deer County to the Polytechnic to show us what you have here today, to embrace what we can do together to make this community grow.
As Red Deer Polytechnic moves forward into its exciting future, I am energized by the impact that we will have on our students and learning environments, the impact that we'll have on our industry and external community, and the impact that we'll have on our province and the world. Over the past 3 months, I have felt welcomed, engaged, with sincerity and optimism. I'm truly part of a great team. I am excited about our future. I know that you are as well, and thank you for being a part of it.